Take the hand of Rosa Parks when she was sitting for your rights. It's time for you to stand so AOC can run for president. Rosa sat so you could stand, so Kamala could run. Now it's time to do your part, you know what time it is. Time to get into good trouble. Did you stand by, not raise your voice while injustice grew? Did you make that choice? You know what time it is, you know what to do. It's time to rise up, time to get into good trouble. You weren't there when John crossed the bridge, beaten down but never broken. They bled and fought for the rights you enjoy. Now it's your turn, stand up, don't be a tool. They face dogs, clubs, and hate so you can vote and shape your fate. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Would you take the blows from police at night for justice, for what's right? They laid down their lives so you could rise. It's your time to stand, don't compromise. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Rosa sat so you could stand, so Kamala can run for president. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Look around at the world today, school children dying, kid carrying an AK. Hearts and prayers don't fix, the government sits bought by the rich while our youth can't afford a future. Clarence sits on his yacht eating caviar, judging your body from afar. Hypocrisy reigns as truth is sold. Will you stand up or let your rights be controlled? You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Immigrants built this land of the free, now turned away, can't you see? Lady Liberty cries, bring me your tired, your poor, yet we build walls closing the door. This is the land of the brave and strong, but our leaders have led us so wrong. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Corporations pay for laws that privilege them, not us, not the USA. Social media drains our brains, uses us as copper top batteries to fuel their money-making schemes. Our outrage feeds their engagement, equals profit as news becomes propaganda. Truth gets lost, you know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Education isn't just another brick in the wall, it's the foundation of knowledge to rise and stand tall. We're not factory workers for tomorrow, we're thinkers, leaders with a plan. Don't sit, don't bow, stand up, take a stand. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Did you stand by, not raise your voice while injustice grew? Did you make that choice? You know what time it is, you know what to do. It's time to rise up, time to get into good trouble. Join us in singing our freedom song. A nation united, we'll all be